Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the internal storage required error on WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Next, scroll down again and open Software Information. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times to enable developer options. If prompted, enter your screen lock to confirm. Once developer options are enabled, go back to the main settings page and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find USB debugging. If it is enabled, turn it off. After that, scroll back to the top and disable Developer Options completely. Now, open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and install any available update. Once the update is complete, restart your phone. After the device boots up again, open WhatsApp and check if the internal storage required error has been resolved. That's it for this video. Thanks!